Convertible to check out at Unique Specialty Classics. 2002 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. Both tops, hard top and soft top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 67,000 is all in this one. Inspiration Yellow. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. As you can see, paint shows well on this one. And remember, it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Riding on the original chrome wheels. 3.9 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC, power top. As we look down the passenger side, you can see that it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We have the charcoal and yellow, two-tone interior, center console, shifter on the floor, 6 CD in-dash changer, electronic climate control, and much, much more. A lot of the modern amenities on this car, but yet kind of harkens back to that old 55, 56, and 57 Baby Bird look. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to check this vehicle out yourself, maybe due to distance or time restraints. Feel free to have a third-party look at it, get back to you, compare what you see in the videos and the pictures to what the inspector looks at. Try to represent these as fairly as possible, obviously with all the pictures that we take, over 120 pictures of this car online, underside, interior, engine bay. Having the driving video of it going down the road so you can see what it's like from a driver's perspective. And of course these walk around videos to kind of take a peek at it a little closer. We'll put the top up here in just a bit. Let you check that out. Black fabric top, power top, everything works as it should. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here in the driver's side. You can also see not a lot of wear in the seat, just kind of your typical how natural hide like leather is going to wrinkle some from use, but that is absolutely expected. And interior, good shape. Of course, steering wheel controls for radio, also cruise control. Does have the key fob with it as far as unlocking the trunk and doors. Let's take a look at the exact miles. There it is, 67,209. You can see that. Looks like it's going to need fuel shortly. So AM, FM, CD changers, that electronic climate control, power top switch, dash, all in good shape. What you'd expect. Well taken care of car, clean Carfax. I have not noticed any modifications on this, so also sounds as you would expect. In the 3.9 liter V8 underneath the hood. And speaking of which, how about we check it out? You pause this a second, get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and then we'll check out those tops. Alright, first off, look underneath the hood. And as you can see, it doesn't look like it's been driven in any kind of inclement weather. Very clean hood liner, as well as engine bay. Smooth running, clean and tidy. Just what you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Alright, let's get that soft top up, and then we'll put on the hard top, check that out, wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. So, black fabric top. Windows rolled up so you can see. Nice fit with the side windows. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Actually looks like it's practically brand new. Glass rear window, rear defrost. I'm guessing this top hasn't been up a whole lot. And if you had this convertible, why would you want the top up unless you maybe needed to keep you out of the sun or brief rain shower? It's going to serve its purpose just fine. So there's the fabric top, and we'll get the hard top on here also, show you that, and wrap this video up. And last but not least, the hard top. So also inspiration yellow in color. Nice fit up at the windshield. Got the side windows up. Nice tight fit there. Of course, the porthole. Hearkening back to the 56 and 57 baby birds. Glass rear window with rear defogger. So finish is nice on it like the rest of the car. (2002) Ford Thunderbird. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures online, over 120 plus pics of this car. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Ford Thunderbird in a nice yellow color with yellow and black on the inside. This is an automatic on the center console. All our gauges do appear to be working. Our fuel gauge is reading just about empty. The temperature gauge is halfway up. Tachometer and speedometer working well. Factory stereo sounds good. Air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Our wipers work. Comfortable leather bucket seats in this car. This is, of course, a convertible top. We do have it up right now. Letting go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Our brakes are working great. Corners well, doesn't lean too much. Good power when you kick down that accelerator. Just a very easy to drive, modern Thunderbird. Take a look at all the details and pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.